I'll get it. What? What? Stop that basketball. Wow, you better slow down. Girl, slow down. Put the brakes on. Okay. Okay. Stop that basketball. No, I don't think so.
I did.
No, I don't think so. Alright, let's get that basketball. Put it in your back seat.
Okay.
Alright, now let's go back uphill. What are you doing?
I got my beep.
You're driving your beep beep.
I go so away.
Far, far away. You better not.
I did.
Mama missed you. What baby Cece doing over here? Hi, baby Cece. And your birdie outside. Beautiful baby. Where are you going? Yeah, I want to go with you. Here, baby, there's a car.